Loopstation and Sound Laboratory is a fully interactive looping and sampling workshop where participants co-compose an ambient looping piece together. I give a brief introduction of how loop stations, effects, and setups function and provide instruments for the participants to play and record with. These instruments can be anything from a handful of leaves, plastic garbage, a cello, to the human voice. Each instrument processed with some effects and looped adds a unique texture to the sound we hear. You don't need any knowledge or experience in music making to participate in this workshop. Just an open ear and a love for trying new things with music technology. I hope to compose with you, whether in institutions, outdoor festivals, or your workspace. Each space gives its own inspiration, and along with what you bring to the group composition, creates a very live ambient music experience.
No, there's no computer. It's just me in the loop station.